Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video we'll talk about brass statue. You have seen brass statues almost everywhere as decorations in temples, very big statues on airports, in lounge, in several places, very small statues in home temples as well. In this video, I'll cover the finer points. When you're going out to purchase a statue, to buy a statue, what points you should know about the brass, how the price is calculated, how the sizes are defined, all these points. First point, how the statue is made. These statues, the brass work is done in cast. The die is already made. So first thing is you cannot get customized size because the die is already done. So if you want customized size, we have to make a new die altogether and then make it, and that's a very costly procedure. So standard sizes are available, but there are too many sizes because it's a very high demanded product. Then we have the quality of brass. In quality of brass, we have normal brass and then super fine. The one you're looking at here is super fine brass quality. Then further, we have work, the hand work. Just like in this one, you see a lot of bead work. There are beads and artificial stones placed, and this is all hand work. This is one thing that adds to the value and also the work. Another thing is the antique work, the polishing work, the fine PU design, and all these differentiate the cost. So if you have a normal statue with only simple finishing in brass, it will always cost lesser. About the size of the statue, I have here a very beautiful Radha Krishna statue, 13 inches left to right, front to back. The base is 6 inches. And when we talk about front to back, is the base part, not the whole statue, but the base, 6 inches wide, and the height is 2 feet. Generally, when we talk about the size of any statue, we talk about height. So it could be 5 inches, 6 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, and the rest of the sizes are in proportion. Just like this statue is a 2 feet statue, and if we have to make it narrower, it will be not in proportion. And if you want a bigger statue, obviously the left to right size and front to back size has to be increased. So when we talk about size, is the height of the statue, small or big. Then the quality part, normal brass or super fine quality, and then further adding to that is the work, hand work. You want more work, beading work and classical work. Then we have antique style and several other styles that you can see on the images that are flashing on your screen. About the price part, generally you get brass in per kg basis, but this is hand work. So price changes according to the work, and we have a number of units listed on our website. So whichever you pick, let us know, we'll let you know the price along with the shipping and the tax part. A very fine statue right here in front of you, available for global delivery and at factory prices. Top quality work and ready to be shipped to your place. So select what you like. There are thousands of pictures online. If you like something from there, send it to us. If we have that, we'll let you know, and we'll provide you the best price that is available in the market with home delivery in India or out of India. We are already delivering to more than 55 countries. If you want one, let us know. We'll deliver to your home. Thank you. Dhanyavad.